everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video topic is Pythagoras theorem. This is a very important theorem. This is a topic of geometry. Okay, so this theorem, Pythagoras theorem, is applied on the triangle only when the triangle is a right angled triangle. As you can see in this picture, in this triangle ABC, this is right angle at B. This means angle B is of 90 degree. Now let us learn that what we call to the different sides of this triangle. Now angle B is 90 degree. This means the side just opposite to right angle triangle, that is known as hypotenuse, or we can represent it by small h. Now this is BC. In this triangle BC, this is the base of the triangle, or we can represent it by small b. And this is perpendicular. AB is perpendicular to BC, so we can call this perpendicular. We can also call this altitude. Okay, but what is about this theorem? How we will apply this theorem? So in a right angle triangle, this hypotenuse square will always be equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Or simply we can write in the formula that h square, or the square of this hypotenuse, will be equal to the square of base plus the square of this perpendicular, or the square of this altitude. Okay, now we will learn about this theorem by solving some questions. So let's start. First question is, PQR is a triangle right angled at P. So let's figure it out. This is a triangle, name is PQR, and it is right angled at P. So P will be of 90 degree, and let's name it Q. This is R. If PQ is equal to 10 centimeter, this is given 10 centimeter, length of PQ is 10 centimeter, PR is 24 centimeter. So this is 24 centimeter, and we have to find out QR, the length of this hypotenuse we have to find out. Okay, so it is very simple. We will just apply this formula. We know that as per this formula, this QR square will be equal to the PR square plus PQ square, and we know the length of these two sides. So we will simply put the values. PR is given 24 centimeter. So we will write 24 centimeter square plus PQ is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter square. Now we will simply solve it. 24 square of 24 will be, so let's find out. 4 for the 16, this is 9, 2 for the 8, into 2 for the 4. So we will get 576. Okay, so the square of 24 is 576. Let's write 576 centimeter square plus 10 square is 100 centimeter square. Let's add these two. We will get 676 centimeter square. So this is QR square is equal to 676 centimeter square. Now we have to find out that 676, it is a square of which number? Okay, so you have to learn the squares at least till 30. Then only you can find out the values easily. So we know that QR square will be equal to, this is a square of 26. So we can simply write 26 into 26, okay, centimeter, and here also centimeter. This means the value of QR will be equal to 26 centimeter, because 676 is a square of 26. So the value of QR will be 26 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, we will do one more questions. Now, in this question, ABC is a triangle right angled at C. So let's figure it out again. draw a triangle, always draw a right angle triangle. Okay. Now check in the question. It is right angle at C. Right C, or we can write A, B, C. If AB is equal to 25 centimeter, this is given. Now we know the hypotenuse length. This is 25 centimeter. AC is 7 centimeter. We know the length of perpendicular also, and we have to find out the length of the base. So again, we will put the same formula. That is, now as per this theorem, this will be AB square. Let's write it down. AB square will be equal to AC square plus BC square. Okay. Now simply putting the given values. AB we know it is 25 square. 25 centimeter square. It will be equal to the square of AC, that is 7 centimeter square plus BC square. Now 25 square we know it will be 625 centimeter square. 7 square is 7 to 7 will be 49 centimeter square plus BC square. Now I am just simply solving it here. Now this will go this side and we will subtract it from this. So simply BC square will be what? BC square will be equal to 625 centimeter square minus 49 centimeter square. Let's subtract 49, 625 minus 49. 15 minus 9, we will get 6. Here we will left with 1. So 11 minus 4 will be 7 and 5. So we will left with BC square will be equal to 576 centimeter square. And which is a square of which number? It is a square of 24. In the first question we found it. Okay. So what will be the length of BC? BC will be equal to 24 centimeter. This means in this question our base, the length of base or the BC, it will be 24 centimeter. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. It is, which of the following can be sides of a right angle triangle? In this, 3 sides we know. Okay. And we have to check whether these sides can be the sides of a right angle triangle or not. So what we have to do? We have to check this theorem. Okay. We know that hypotenuse, it is the longest side of a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, this side will always be the longest one, bigger one. Okay. So from these 3 sides, it is 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So we know that this can be hypotenuse. This will be hypotenuse or the length of the biggest side, and these two can be base and perpendicular. So what we have to check that whether the square of this 5 square is equal to the square of the sum of other 2 sides. So 2 square plus 2 square. Okay. What we will get? 25. Here we will get 2 square is 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8. So 25 is not equal to 8. This means the square of the longest side is not coming equal to the square of the sides. Okay, square of the other 2 sides. Now this means these 3 sides cannot be the sides of a right angle triangle. So let's move on to the other. It is 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. So in this question, this will be hypotenuse. Okay, so we will simply check the square of 2.5. It should be equal to the sum of the square of 1.5 centimeter. Or I am just writing this simply, and this is 2 centimeter because we have to check only. Now 25 square we know 625. So the square of this will be 6.25. This is equal to 1.5 square. 15 square is 225. So this will be 2.25 plus 4. This means 6.25, or if we will add these two, we are getting equal. This means the square of hypotenuse here, it is coming equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Hence, this will be the sides of a right angle triangle. Okay, so here we will write yes. In this question, no. These sides cannot be the sides of a right angle triangle. We will do some more questions of this. Let's do one more question to understand this theorem. So what is the question? A 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12-meter high from the ground on placing it against a wall at a distance A. So there is a ladder, and the length of the ladder we know, this is 15 meter. It is placed on a wall and it reached a window that is 12 meter high from the ground. Okay, we have to find out the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. So let's figure it out. Okay, let's suppose this is a wall. In this point A, B, C. From here we are placing the ladder on the wall. Let's join BC. Make it like a ladder. I am just drawing this diagram roughly. Okay, and this is A. It is given A. We have to find out the value of A. The length of ladder we know, it is 15 meter, and this ladder reached at a window which is 12 meter high from the ground. This means here is the window, and the length of AC is also given 12 meter. So the window is 12 meter high from the ground. We have to find out AB. So simply we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. So this is the hypotenuse in this case, BC. So BC square will be equal to AC square plus AB square. Then we can find out the value of A. So let's write it down. BC square, as per Pythagoras theorem, BC square will be equal to AC square plus AB square. Now we will simply put the given values. BC we know, BC is what? It is the length of the ladder. The ladder is 15 meter long. Okay, so write 15 meter square. It will be equal to AC square. AC is 12 meter square plus AB. AB is given A at a distance A, or we can write A square. Okay, now let's solve it. 15 square is 225. So we will write 225 meter square. It will be equal to square of 12. 12 into 12 is 144 meter square plus A square. Now we can find out the value of this by subtracting 144 from 225. So I am writing it like this. A square will be equal to 225 meter square minus 144 meter square. Let's subtract it. 225 minus 144. 5 minus 4 is 1. 12 minus 4 will be 8. Okay, here we will be left with 0. So what we will get? We will get 81 meter square. So what will be the value of A? A will be simply 9 meter, because 81 is the square of 9. So the value of A will be 9 meter. This means this distance AB will be 9 meter. Okay. The distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall is 9 meter. So this will be the answer. Now I hope that you understood how to apply Pythagoras theorem in the given questions. First, what you have to do, you have to figure out the question. Whatever is given in the question, first make a rough diagram, rough figure. Okay. Then find out hypotenuse, base and perpendicular, and then only solve the question. Okay. So I hope that now you understood this concept. So if you like this video, then please share it and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also press the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest videos. See you in the next video with a new concept. Till then, goodbye. Take care.